Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo LURR, kembali lagi bersama saya Hakim Ahmad. Bagaimana kabar Anda semua? Saya selalu doakan semoga Anda semua baik-baik saja. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke LURR, lagi-lagi Putri Ariani menggemparkan dunia. Ya, kali ini ada dua musisi Amerika Serikat yang dibuat mewek saat mendengarkan suara emas dari Putri Ariani di ajang pencarian bakat American Got Talent. Ya, seperti apa reaksi dari mereka? Oke, tanpa berlama-lama mari kita langsung saja gas ke videonya.
I'm going to watch a video today of Putri Ariani, who's a Indonesian girl on America's Got Talent. I'm excited to watch this because I've seen it all over YouTube.
What's up guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carly Shay and we are going to be reacting to this amazing story. A girl named Putri Ariani from Indonesia. She's 17 years old. She is an amazing singer, piano player, and she also happens to be blind, which just truly sets her apart and is absolutely insane. So anyways, she went on America's Got Talent and she ended up winning the gold buzzer from Simon Cowell.
And let's check it out.
I always dreamed to be on America's Got Talent since I was little.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Are you guys ready for the next act? Here we go! Are these your parents?
Yes!
And what are you gonna do on AGT?
I'm going to be singing and playing a piano.
Oh, you're gonna be singing!
Yeah. My biggest challenge is people look at me just as a blind person, not as a musician. But when I'm singing, I feel like a superstar.
You are a superstar. You are. Oh my gosh, I love that. And it breaks my heart that she's, you know, she said people only see me as a blind girl and she's like, I want to be seen as a musician. And she is. I see her as a musician.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Just be yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for coming to AGT. What is your name?
My name is Putri Ariani. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Indonesia.
Bravo! Putri, is this your first time in America?
This is my very first time. I'm so excited. I love all the things in here.
What is your talent?
I am a singer.
How long you been singing?
Maybe since I was born.
I love that.
And what is your dream?
My dream is being the biggest diva in the world, like win the Houston and win a Grammy Award.
Oh, wow!
She can do it. She gonna win a Grammy.
Yes! Are you going to school now?
Yes, I'm in high school, but I hope that I can get in Juilliard's College of Music for my college program.
Why AGT? Have you always wanted to come here?
I hope that I can win America's Got Talent so I can reach my dream.
Okay, we're so happy that you're here and excited. We want to see you.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
She's so sweet.
So cute.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Does that mic feel like it's a good spot for you? Cool. And the key's good?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Have fun.
Oh, that's sweet. Have fun. All right, here we go.
Will forever. I remember when we still were. You love your voice and your bright eyes. We together in this love. Promise we'll forever. break my heart, break my hope, make me so down in a loneliness.
Oh my gosh!
Me when I did, thought you were my best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong. Oh, baby, you changed your pain into the You break my heart, break my hope, make me so down in a loneliness. You left me when I did, thought you were my best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong. Oh, baby, you changed your pain into the You break my heart, break my heart.
Oh
Make
my
me
gosh.
so down in a loneliness. You break my heart, break my home, make me so down in a loneliness. You let me when I'm in love.
Oh my gosh. I have goosebumps head to toe. I want to cry because she is so amazing. That is unbelievable. She has to win.
You break my heart, break my heart, make me so down in a loneliness. You break my heart, break my home, make me so down in a loneliness. You let me when I'm in love. I was so wrong, I was so wrong.
Oh, yes!
Do I fall in you?
Oh. Yeah. Told you.
I was so wrong.
Oh, yes!
Do I fall in you?
Oh my. That hands down has to be the best performance I've ever seen on America's Got Talent. That is absolutely amazing. Go, Simon!
This is amazing!
What's he doing there? I don't know.
Hi, Putri. This is Simon. This is Simon. Yeah. Her voice is amazing.
Yes.
And you have father.
Yes, I'm father.
Very nice to meet you.
Aww,
Does Putri have a
Simon.
second song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to sing for Pokemon?
Yeah.
Yeah. She want to sing it for you. Yes, thank you.
All right, so this is the part that I reacted to on the other video. I will link it somewhere in here. You got to go watch it, but I will go to the part where he presses the gold buzzer because you have to see it.
However, he's standing up.
Yay! I have goosebumps! She is so amazing. Putri Ariani receives the gold buzzer on America's Got Talent. Like I said, go watch the other reaction of her song that I posted on the channel. Oh my gosh.
Benar-benar lagunya sangat menyentuh hati sih ya. Oke, itulah reaksi dari dua musisi Amerika Serikat saat mendengarkan Putri Ariani membawakan lagunya ya LURR. Oke, dan mungkin seperti itu aja untuk video hari ini. Ya, semoga bisa memberikan hiburan dan manfaat untuk Anda semua LURR. Ya, dan saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.